Hello, my student. Peace and good. Today we will learn. Let's read 3 explicit information in oral text that you listen to in English in specific communicating situations with the colors. Recuperemos información explícita en los textos orales que escuchen inglés en situaciones comunicativas específicas con los colores. Performance indicator. Read 3 explicit information in oral text that you listen to in English in specific communicative situations with the colors through image analysis. En el indicador de desempeño vamos a recuperar información explícita en los textos orales que se escuchen en inglés en situaciones comunicativas específicas con los colores en inglés a través del análisis de imágenes. Look and listen carefully to the following video. Observa y escucha con atención el siguiente video.
Hello, Gina.
Hello, Polly. Hello, Mike. Hello, Leo. Look.
Oh, poor Gina. Yellow, please. Red, please. Blue, please. Green, please.
Look, Gina.
Yellow, blue, green, and red. Wow! Thank you, Polly. Thank you, Mike. Thank you, Leo.
Note, what do you see is color. Look and point. Observa y señala. What do you see is red? Good. What do you see is green? Good job. What do you see is yellow? Very good. What do you see is blue? Excellent, my student. Thank you, my student. See you the next class. Peace and good. God bless you. Bye-bye.